Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our YouTube financial education channel, where we delve into the world of money, wealth, and financial empowerment. Today, I want to take you on an extraordinary journey, one that has the potential to transform your life and your relationship with money. Get ready to dive deep into the captivating realm of your money mindset. Imagine this: you have dreams that ignite your soul, ambitions that fuel your every waking moment. You envision a life of abundance, where you can fulfill your deepest desires and make a significant impact on the world. But there's a significant barrier standing in your way, a barrier that isn't made of concrete or steel, but of thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes about money. It's your money mindset. Your money mindset is like the lens through which you view the financial landscape. It shapes your beliefs, influences your decisions, and ultimately determines your financial outcomes. It can either be your greatest ally, propelling you towards wealth and success, or your staunchest adversary, trapping you in a cycle of scarcity and limitation. The good news is that you have the power to redefine your money mindset and overcome any obstacles that stand in your way. So, my fellow adventurers in the realm of wealth, let's embark on this transformative journey together. Today, I will guide you through 5 crucial steps that will help you overcome your money mindset and unleash your full financial potential. Step 1. Awaken your awareness. Before we can change anything, we must first become aware of it. Take a moment to reflect on the messages you received about money growing up. Were you taught that wealth was reserved for a select few? Or were you instilled with the belief that financial abundance is available to all who seek it? Recognize any negative or limiting beliefs that may have taken root within you. Remember, awareness is the first step towards change. Now let's move to step 2, challenge your beliefs. Your beliefs are the building blocks of your reality, but they are not set in stone. It's time to question those beliefs that no longer serve you. Understand that your past does not dictate your future. Replace limiting thoughts with empowering affirmations. Believe in your ability to create wealth and abundance in your life. Challenge the status quo and dare to dream bigger than ever before. Step 3. Embark on an educational odyssey. Knowledge is the compass that guides us towards financial freedom. Dive headfirst into the vast ocean of financial education. Seek out reputable sources of information, devour books, attend seminars, and connect with mentors who have achieved the financial success you aspire to. Equip yourself with the tools and strategies necessary to navigate the intricate world of money management, investments, and wealth building. Remember, the more you know, the more empowered you become. Now that you've acquired the knowledge, it's time for step 4, take purposeful action. A positive mindset alone is not enough to bring about tangible change. You must take deliberate and consistent action to manifest your financial goals. Start by creating a comprehensive budget, understanding your income, and meticulously tracking your expenses. Evaluate your spending habits and eliminate unnecessary expenditures. Explore different avenues for generating additional income, whether it's through a side hustle, investing in real estate, or starting your own business. Remember, every small step taken consistently over time can lead to extraordinary results. But let me remind you, my fellow adventurers, that the road to financial freedom may not always be smooth. That brings us to step 5, embrace the power of resilience. Challenges, setbacks, and obstacles are an inherent part of any journey, especially one that involves wealth creation. Embrace resilience, learn from your mistakes, and keep moving forward. Believe in yourself and your ability to overcome any adversity that comes your way. Remember, temporary setbacks do not define your financial future. They are merely stepping stones on the path to your ultimate success. In the face of adversity, it is crucial to maintain an unwavering belief in your capabilities. Surround yourself with a supportive community of like-minded individuals who uplift and inspire you. Seek guidance from mentors who have weathered financial storms and come out stronger on the other side. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Together, we can conquer any financial challenge that comes our way. As you continue to grow and evolve, remember that true wealth extends far beyond monetary gains. It encompasses a sense of fulfillment, purpose, and contribution. Take the time to align your financial goals with your deepest values. Consider how you can make a positive impact on the lives of others and contribute to causes that resonate with you. By sharing your wealth and knowledge, you create a ripple effect of abundance that extends far beyond your own personal gain. Now, my fellow adventurers, armed with awareness, challenged beliefs, and a thirst for knowledge, it is time to embark on your personal quest towards financial liberation. Let your journey inspire others to rewrite their own financial narratives. Share your triumphs, your failures, and the invaluable lessons you've learned along the way. By opening up the dialogue and creating a supportive community, we can collectively transform the world's relationship with money. As we conclude this captivating odyssey through your money mindset, remember that the power to overcome your financial limitations lies within you. Take hold of that power, embrace it, and let it propel you towards the life of abundance you deserve. Believe in your potential, for you are capable of achieving extraordinary things. Thank you for joining us on this transformative expedition. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Together, let's rewrite the script of our financial lives and inspire others to embark on their own journeys of financial enlightenment. The time for change is now. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us on this inspiring journey towards financial empowerment and mindset transformation. As we conclude this video, I want to leave you with a powerful call to action. If you're ready to break free from the limitations that have held you back, if you're committed to rewriting your financial story, then I urge you to take action today. Subscribe to our channel and become a part of our thriving community of individuals who are dedicated to their financial well-being. By subscribing, you'll gain access to a wealth of valuable content, including practical tips, expert insights, and motivational guidance that will propel you towards your financial goals. Together, we can navigate the intricate world of money management, investments, and wealth building, and create a life of abundance and fulfillment. But remember, subscribing is just the beginning. Engage with our community by leaving comments, sharing your own experiences, and asking questions. Connect with like-minded individuals who are on a similar journey and support one another as we strive for financial excellence. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Take the first step towards transforming your financial future. Subscribe now, and let's embark on this incredible adventure together. Remember, you have the power to overcome your money mindset and create a life of financial freedom. Believe in yourself, take action, and let's make your dreams a reality. The time for change is now.